Hello, everyone, and welcome back to AfterClass English, where learning English is easy and fun. Today, we have a special guest with us, Philip.
Hi there. It's great to be here today.
I'm happy you're here. How are you doing?
I'm good, thanks. Feeling relaxed and ready for our topic.
Perfect. Today, we'll talk about hobbies, the things we do for fun. And remember, dear listeners, while you enjoy this conversation, you can also learn new English words and expressions.
That's right. You can listen, repeat, and learn naturally. It's like studying English without feeling like studying.
Exactly. So tell us, what are your hobbies?
I have a few. I love playing football with my friends. It helps me stay active and healthy.
Nice. Do you play often?
Almost every weekend, but sometimes it's more talking and laughing than actual football.
That sounds like my kind of sport. No running, just good company.
Exactly. We call it social exercise.
I love that. My hobby is painting. I usually paint nature, trees, flowers, the sky. It helps me relax.
That sounds wonderful. Do you paint every weekend?
Yes, most weekends. Sometimes I listen to soft music while painting. It feels like therapy.
Music and art. That's a beautiful combination. I tried painting once, but my sunset looked like a pizza.
A pizza sunset. Maybe you invented a new art style called Hungry Impressionism.
Yes, perfect for people who love food and art at the same time.
Speaking of food, do you like cooking?
Yes, actually. I like cooking pasta, but I never follow the recipe. Sometimes it's great, and sometimes even my dog says, "No, thank you."
Oh no, poor dog. Maybe next time he'll be your taste tester.
Only if I promise not to cook again.
You know, cooking is a great hobby. It teaches patience and creativity.
That's true. It's like learning English. You make mistakes, but that's part of the process.
I like that comparison. Okay, what other hobbies do you enjoy?
I like reading short stories. I read a few pages before bed every night.
That's a great habit. Reading in English is one of the best ways to improve vocabulary.
Yes, especially when you read something you really enjoy. It doesn't feel like work.
Exactly. I always say, don't read to finish, read to enjoy.
I like that. Can I use it in life, too? Don't eat to finish, eat to enjoy?
Sure, that works too, especially if it's pizza sunset night.
Definitely.
Okay, back to hobbies. Do you have any unusual hobbies? Something people might find surprising?
I like gardening. It's simple, but growing something with your own hands feels amazing.
That's lovely. What do you grow?
Mostly herbs, basil, mint, and parsley. My tomatoes, well, they tried their best.
They tried their best. That's such a kind gardener thing to say.
Yes, they didn't make it far, but I'm proud of them.
I think that's the spirit of hobbies. Not perfection, just joy.
Exactly. You don't need to be great at your hobby. You just need to enjoy it.
So true. Some people love sports, some love books, and others love collecting things.
I used to collect coins as a kid. I still have a few old ones.
Really? That's a cool hobby. Every coin has a little story behind it.
Yes, it's like holding a piece of history.
Beautifully said. You know, I think hobbies make our lives richer and more colorful, like art for the soul.
I agree. They also help us relax and learn something new.
Exactly. And learning English can also be a hobby, something you do for fun.
That's true. You can watch videos, listen to podcasts like this one, and talk with friends in English.
Yes, and our listeners are already doing that right now, learning English through conversation.
Great job, everyone. You're improving while having fun.
Before we finish, what hobby would you like to try next?
Maybe photography. I love capturing small moments.
That's a great choice. I'd love to learn that too, but my photos always end up blurry.
Maybe your camera is shy.
I'll tell it to be more confident next time.
Perfect.
Listeners, tell us in the comments, what's your favorite hobby? Try to write your answer in English.
Yes, and remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just write, learn, and enjoy the process.
Thank you for joining us today. It was such a fun conversation.
Thank you. I had a great time. And thank you, everyone, for listening and learning with us.
You're always welcome back. Maybe next time for talking about food.
Oh, that's my favorite topic. I'll bring the pizza sunset.
Deal. Okay, everyone. Thanks for joining AfterClass English. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep practicing English every day.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.